Today I am participating in the Valentine's Custom Candy Bar Buffet that's being hosted by Tracey over at Secondhand Tracey Ann. So if you'd like to see what I put together, stay tuned. Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. In today's video, as I mentioned in the intro, I'm participating in another challenge. And this one is being hosted by Secondhand Tracey Ann. Please be sure to check out her channel as well as the playlist, which I'll have linked down below when it's available. And now for the rules of this challenge. You are to create a candy bar for Valentine's Day, and there were 4 rules. So you had to have 4 different types of candy. The first one is a candy that you love. So for that, I have picked Reese's. Reese's are one of my absolute favorite candies. So that's the first one. Then you have to pick a candy that is popular or trending. Well, I noticed that most of the stores had these Valentine Snickers. So for me, this is the popular trending candy. Then you had to pick a seasonal candy. And so I picked this one, which is heart-shaped York Peppermint Patties. Let me open this up so you can see what it looks like. These are definitely seasonal. They don't have them this shape the rest of the year. So as you can see, they're heart-shaped. And then you had to pick a candy that is new, that you've never tried before. And I definitely had never seen this one before, so I picked it up. It is a red velvet flavored Kitkat. So now I will show you how I put those candies to use in my custom candy bar buffet. So here is my custom candy bar buffet. I have it set up next to the area where I have my coffee bar on this one little counter area here. So starting at the top, I did move this picture, this heart picture from my kitchen over here to create more of a cohesive vignette. And I had a hook there, so I needed to put something there. And then as we move down, I have one of my little target birds. This one I think was from last year, and it's sitting on a silver candlestick. And the reason for that is I felt like I needed some height to balance out the height of where the sign is. And then I have some apothecary jars and a candy dish filled with my candies. They're sitting on a silver tray, which is on top of a red round placemat, and then another little target bird. This one I think also was from last year. So in my largest apothecary jar, I put the Snickers as well as the Kit Kats. And then in the medium-sized one, I put the York heart-shaped Peppermint Patties. And then I have this open candy dish here that's cut glass. You can see that. And inside of it are the Reese's. I used to have a tall apothecary jar, which I would have liked to use, but it recently got broken, so I wasn't able to use it. Hence my open candy dish here. But I think this turned out to be really, really cute for Valentine's Day. As I mentioned, the colors are brighter than what I'm using for the rest of my house, but for candy, I think that is appropriate. So that's it. So what did you think? Did you like my candy bar? Well, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. It is more colorful than the rest of the Valentine's decorations that I have going on in my home. But I think for candy, that's appropriate. And as most of you know, if you've been following my channel for a while, I usually don't eat that sort of thing. But I'm going to make a sacrifice for this challenge and try this red velvet flavored Kit Kat. I usually don't eat candy that has sugar in it, but I will try it. Here is how it looks. It looks like white chocolate on the outside. Now I was expecting it to be red on the inside, but it's not. I don't know that I'm really getting a red velvety taste. Maybe a hint of it. It does taste cake flavored, but it just tastes very sweet to me. So anyway, in case you're interested, red velvet Kit Kat. Just looks like a normal Kit Kat on the inside, and then it has the white chocolate around the outside. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed seeing my custom candy bar. And again, if you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below or the icon in the corner of this video. And I look forward to seeing all of you again next time. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye, and happy Valentine's Day.